everyone, this is the cardigan I've been working on. So I'm doing the first sleeve, so now you can see the colours a lot better. So it's looking very unusual, and I'm actually doing stripes for the sleeves. So it's going to be a very unusual cardigan to wear, and I've got a cable running across the top of this sleeve, so I think that looks really pretty. So I've put stitch markers in down the side and along the sleeve, and I've put it onto waste yarn so that I could actually try it on, and it fits perfectly. So now I'll just keep going straight until I get down to where I want the cuff to be, and then I'll just change to smaller needles and do the ribbing for the cuff. And then I'm not sure I'll do for the other sleeve. I don't think I'll do them both striped. I might do the other one plain. I'm not sure what I'll do. It's a very unusual cardigan. So that's what I've been up to at the moment. So this is actually my second video. The first video, my girlfriend knocked on the door just as I was finishing, and Holly ran across the floor and she picked up the cardigan in her feet and she ran across the floor with it. It was so funny. Anyway, we went down to my orchard and I found that the birds have eaten all my grapes. I didn't have many bunches of grapes this year, but they're all gone. I'm so disappointed. I should have bagged them up. And they've been into my other apples. So I've just finally been taking the apples off the tree. So, and I'll take some down to the food bank to share. So that's why I'm sounding a bit breathless. Working outside in the hot sun is not my favourite thing to do. So that's what I've been doing with the cardigan lately. So just letting you know, if you need to know how to try on your sleeves to know if they're the right size, and then you can keep going straight. That's what I do. Put it onto waste yarn. Okay, bye.